Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning we'll be talking about the Vantage plain plastics. We ordered a complete set for the Project Tiger, and now we're going to go through what's in the two big boxes and what kind of fun we're going to have with it. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So you saw what was in the first box. We had those couple of pieces, and here's Dave Harris assisting us with opening box number 2, which had 23 or 24 pieces in it. And we're going to put this as some music while you watch it, because it's going to be a while till we get it all out of the box and all laid out for you to see it. So stay tuned. So, ladies and gentlemen, here it is all laid out on the floor on some carpeting for you to see. We ordered 27 pieces. We got 26. We only got one seat back. We said that earlier. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. This is what $3,000 worth of plastic looks like for your airplane at current prices. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Well, let me apologize for the lighting, because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night, and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.